Hey everyone, my name is Jonas. Welcome to my traffic flood review where I'll show you the members area. I'm going to show you what the upsells are, how much they cost, and on top of that, I've got some pretty cool bonuses that you're going to get if you purchase traffic flood through the link below this video. So let's take a quick look at the sales page first just to see what they claim here, and after that we'll take a look at the members area and I'll explain everything that you're going to get if you decide to get traffic flood. So, two regular dudes discovered the dummy-proof way to get floods of penny traffic in any niche while collecting 462 leads per day in the process. That's pretty cool. And normally I would be a little bit skeptical towards this when they say that they can get, if you scroll down here, they can get leads for 4 cents per lead, which is just insanely cheap. But I've gone through the course and it looks very legit here, and I know that Mehdi is a guy, so it's created by, let's see if we got their names here, Mehdi Tihani and Fergal Downs. There we go. And I know that Mehdi is someone who does a lot of Facebook stuff, so I believe this 100%, and as we can see here, they're getting clicks for 2 cents and leads for 4 cents. That's just ridiculous. Here's another niche where they get it for 7 cents. Insanely cheap. So how are they doing this? Well, let's take a look at the members area and I'll explain first of all what it is that you get. So first of all, this is the members area. You'll be able to sign up for a webinar that they're going to host on May 8th. Feel free to check that one out. Just be aware that there's most likely going to be something for sale at the end of the webinar. Step 2, join the Traffic Flood Facebook group. I would suggest you to join this one, of course, if you have a Facebook account, because you'll be able to ask questions there. So if you get stuck, just ask a question there, and I'm going to guess that either Fergal or Mehdi will help you out, or hopefully someone from who purchases this course might be able to help you out. So after that, there's a PDF. There's been a long time since I went through a PDF actually, because most courses these days are video courses. But I kind of understand why they made this in a PDF format, because there's quite a lot of things to cover and it makes sense for you to be able to read it while setting it up basically. So you're going to get a 47-page long PDF, and in the PDF you'll see everything that the method is about. And in short, and I'm not going to give the whole method away here of course, but what you're going to be doing in order to get this traffic for so cheap is you're going to be having a viral giveaway contest. And what that means is you're going to set up an ad on Facebook that you're going to basically be giving something away. So let's say you enter the beard niche, for example, like facial hair. You could give away like a beard comb, a beard, what's it called, oil, things like that. Just a few products. And then you'll tell people, enter the contest by entering your name and email below, and a lot of people will enter that. But in short, you need something that is perceived as very high value. So if you do that, you will get a lot of people's attention and people will share this as well, and you're going to be able to get a huge list basically. Well, that depends on how much money you spend obviously, but if you can get leads for between 4 and 7 cents per lead, you don't really need to spend a whole lot of money in order to get a pretty big list. I mean, if you do this and you scale it up and you spend anywhere from like, I don't know, 20 to $100, that's a ton of leads that you're going to get onto your email list. So once the contest then is over, you can keep selling stuff to these leads. I mean, let's say you get like 1,000 or 5,000 people onto your list that are clearly interested in, for example, beard oils and stuff. If you sell those kind of products to people, there's a very good chance that you're going to make a decent amount of money from that. So that's the whole concept of this course. I'm not going to go any more in depth than that because that would be giving the method away. But that is pretty much what it is. So Mehdi is going to show you step by step how to set everything up, and yeah, that's the course. So as I said, there's also a couple of videos here, so it's going to be one. Watch me first, like a little overview, the initial setup, in which Mehdi will show you how to set up a Facebook business account basically, and how to set up the pages, how to do the targeting, and all of that is covered in the PDF as well, but more in depth. So this is more like an overview of the PDF. Yeah, so that's more about the actual giveaway of things to do, and then it's getting viral penny traffic. So this is how to actually set the ad up in order to get traffic this cheap. So how to do the targeting, how to do everything is covered in here. Video 4, making sales after your giveaway. And that is, as I explained as well, you're going to learn how to basically treat your email list after that and other things that you can do. But overall, I think this is a really good course if you have any niche in mind, basically. And that's actually something that Mehdi says in the PDF as well. The more competitive, the better. So it doesn't matter here if you go into the dog training niche, the fitness niche. The more people in it, the better, because as I said, you're still going to get cheap clicks because of the way that this is set up. Like, people can get something for free, they're going to enter it. You're not going to have to spend a ton of money to get people to opt in. So that's how it works. And again, I think this is actually pretty cool stuff. So yeah, if you have any tips or any ideas of niches you can go into, which could be pretty much any single niche, dog training, fitness, I don't know, muscle building, weight loss, anything, this will work. So cool stuff. Yeah, I'll definitely recommend this one if you are into Facebook ads and stuff, and especially, and that's something that Mehdi says as well, you don't need to start with more than $5. That's going to be plenty to get results. And obviously you're going to want to scale this up eventually, but I mean, you can get started for sure with like $10 to $15. That can give you a ton of leads, and that can give you a lot of money. So cool stuff. All right, let's take a quick look at the upsell. So the first one is a case studies pack for $27, and it's a case studies bundle showing you over the shoulder how Mehdi and Fergal were able to get these results. Each case study will be a different niche. So I went through this upsell and I like it. So you're going to get 3 different PDFs of 3 different niches where they explain everything they did. And one of the things that I wrote here as well that I like the best, actually, or one of the things that I like the best anyways, they're going to do like a summary of things that they think that they did well and things that they didn't do well. And I thought that was an interesting way of doing a case study. So it's basically going to say, okay, so we got really cheap clicks for 4 cents. That's fantastic. What we did wrong would then be, we should have scaled it more. We only spent $14. We should have spent $100. And when you're reading that, you kind of realize what it is that you should do and what you shouldn't do. So for example, when they say that they got really cheap traffic or cheap leads, spend more. And then pretty much the opposite as well, of things that they didn't do well. And yeah, you get the point. But that's a pretty cool upsell. Absolutely nothing you need in order to make the main method work. It has nothing to do with like more teaching of the actual method. Everything is explained in the front end. But it could be interesting for you to take a look at that. So it's completely up to you if you want to get it or not. 0202 is a done-for-you pack for $27, and this was pretty cool as well, actually. They cover everything in here, and yeah, as I said, here you can just pause the video if you want, but 10 done-for-you campaigns, 10 done-for-you niche research for 10 niches, done-for-you ad copy for 10 niches. Just one thing to be aware of, don't copy the ad copy that you're going to get here word for word if you decide to get this, because a lot of people will do that, and that will get you less results. So I would take this as ideas and then kind of rewrite it a little bit. And that way you've got a good niche, you've got good ad copy, but you rewrite it a little bit and make it your own. And that way you're most likely going to get better results than if you were to copy it like word for word. Yeah, 0203, this one is dumb in a way, a little bit anyway. So the first one is Reseller Rights, $47 for the front end only, and there's also another option which is $67 for the entire funnel. That's the one you're going to want to pick if you want Reseller Rights in the first place. So as you can see here, allows your customers to become affiliates at 100% commissions. $47 for front end reseller rights, $67 for entire funnel reseller rights, and make money promoting this high converting funnel. So the full reseller rights, or for the full funnel, I understand that. That makes sense. That's something that I wouldn't mind buying myself if there was a product I really liked and I felt like I could send a lot of sales there. But this is just dumb. Like the $47 front end, you're going to get 100% commissions on the front end when you just apply to be an affiliate. So to me, this doesn't make any sense at all. This one does make sense. We had one person from a previous launch that I did back in February who bought resale rights, and he's made over $1,000 in commission from promoting that. So if you know what reseller rights is, and if you think you can send a lot of sales to this product, go ahead and get the entire funnel reseller rights. But under no circumstances would I say should you get this one? It just doesn't make any sense to me. And those are the upsells. So bonuses quickly. I'm probably going to add some more bonuses. I'm doing this review quite early because I'll be busy next week. If I add more bonuses, I'll write it out in the description or so, and you'll find them. But for now, I'll show you how I made over $11,000 from 100% free Facebook traffic from posting in Facebook groups. And I'm going to show you the exact offer and ad copy that I used to make $150 to $300 per day. Working / copy and pasting for 15 to 20 minutes per day. This is a super simple method, and it's something that I did. This was roughly 2 years ago that I started with this. And it worked so well. It worked so well. It doesn't work this well anymore. Obviously, if it made me $150 to $300 per day from doing this for 15 to 20 minutes per day, I would not give it away. But I did try it roughly 1 or 2 months ago, and I think I made like $10 or $12 or something like that from these 15 to 20 minutes. So if you want to make some extra money, you can just copy everything that I did. Literally copy word for word if you want to make some extra money. You're also going to get to see how to rank websites or videos on YouTube and Google for low competition but buyer intent keywords. So basically, there's not going to be a whole lot of competition, so it will be easy to rank. But the keywords that you're going to rank for, if you do what I'm doing in my course anyway, people will be interested in buying stuff from there. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, that's the review for Traffic Flood. So I hope you liked it. If you have any questions about the method or something like that, drop a comment below. I'll get back to you. If not, thank you for watching my Traffic Flood review. Hope you liked it. If you want to get this and my bonuses, go ahead and pick it up now through the link below this video. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.